Hey, this is Darlene from InternationalCuisine.com, and today I'm working on a Pakistani salad called Kachumber. And this is a very simple salad to make with just a few ingredients. We have some chopped up tomatoes, some chopped up cucumber, chopped cilantro, red onion, and mint. And we're gonna mix that all together, and we're gonna be adding the juice of half a lemon. And this stuff right here is called chaat masala, and that is what makes this salad extra special. It is a spice mixture that is tart and spicy at the same time. You're gonna love it. Okay, so I'm just mixing all this together, and it is very common in Pakistan to have a salad served with the main meal. So I'll be serving this with the chicken karahi. I just want to get it all mixed up. And the chaat masala. This is what makes this salad extra special. So here we have our finished Pakistani Kachumber salad. And I hope you like it, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking for other recipes from around the world, check out InternationalCuisine.com.